Another day, another presentation, and today we will make it better with this cool slide. The new presentation starts with an empty slide, into which we first copy-paste and then enlarge the image while holding down Ctrl plus Shift. Here is Alexander Fleming, the inventor of penicillin. The next part is to create a new rectangle shape and enlarge it to cover half of the image. Open Insert section, select the rectangle shape, and use guidelines to cover exactly half of the slide. Make the slide white and without outline. Open the Insert section again, and now use the text box that will contain the title. Write the title, use some nice bold font, and make it bigger so that it covers almost half of the white rectangle. And most importantly, align it to the right edge of the text box. It's time to make holes where the title used to be. First, select white background rectangle. Then, while holding Shift key, select the title. Open the shape format. Click on the arrow next to merge shapes and subtract them from each other. Go back to Insert section and insert another text box below the title. The text box will contain some basic information about Alexander Fleming. Change the style of the text and align it to the right edge. It's time to add the animation. In Home section, open Selection pane. While holding Ctrl key, select text box and shape with title. Open Animation and set Fly in Animation to these components. To make the animation come from the left, change the animation direction by setting the correct direction arrow, and to make it longer, change the duration. Let's see the result in the presentation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy the video, you can like and subscribe. See you in the next one.